How to see blocked contacts on an iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can see blocked contacts on an iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to see blocked contacts on iPhone, you will not find them from the contacts app. By the way, if you have been trying to find from the phone or the contacts app, that's not where the option is. It's a step harder here. You got to open up settings, and then you got to go ahead and then simply look for the phone app over here. Then from the phone app you simply need to scroll down and you can just simply go to the blocked contact section here. Right here you can see, then here you will find the numbers that you've actually happened to block. So this is how you do it. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.